Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my respected panel, Technologist Dr. Muhammad Azizani bin Mat Jalil and Engineer Dr. Saliza Azlina bin T. Osman. Today I will talk about final year project 1, which is capacity studies of a food processing company using arena simulation software. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Syukur bin Abu KASIM, DD170014. I have supervised by Prof. Ma'ya Dr. Sheikh Saleh bin Sheikh Ahmad. I will start with chapter 1, which is introduction. Capacity is quantity of activity or use which might be handled by system before it begin to degenerate. The flexibility to produce work in a given time must be measured in the unit of work. There are many types of simulation software built for industrial, such as AutoMod, Witness, FlexSim, PlaneMate, ProSim, and also Arena simulation software. For this project, Arena simulation software is chosen to accomplish the objective. Arena simulation software also give better solution for improvement in performance indicator for industries. For the problem statement, small and medium enterprise will contribute significantly to country's growth. The food industry must enhance its production system performance and capacity utilization to increase the production output. The daily output rate for Fast Kitchen Sendian Berhad Pait Raja are inconsistent and hard to achieve their target. The lack of standard production rate as the main indicator in the management may lead to the problem occur. There are three objectives that need to be accomplished in this project. The first one is to build the arena simulation model for production process of a food processing company. The second one is to simulate the production process in arena simulation software. And the last one is to analyze the capacity of the production process using arena simulation software. For the scope of the study, the production process study was based in a small food processing company in Pait Raja, which is Fast Kitchen Sendian Berhad. The operation of the process simulate using arena simulation software. The project studied covered capacity production such as the company layout, manpower, work allocation, time taken, and also production output. For the expected result, I will study the company's flow process, apply the knowledge by develop the simulation model based on the actual production line, verify and validate the data, analyze the result and determine the source of weakness, and the last one is make an improvement to the production line for that company. For the significance of the studies, the outcome of the study will redound to the benefit of the company. It also will help the top management to improve their production line by making a proper decision, to analyze the real system and also predict the future behavior. Sustainability is development of meet and needs of present without compromising the ability of future generation. In terms of industries, to increase the efficiency of the overall performance by enhanced employees, community and product safety without giving a negative environment impact while conserve energy and natural resource. There are three elements in sustainability for this project, which is environment, society, and economy. Environment will cover for working condition, society will cover for safe time and safety of manpower, and the last one, economy, will cover the safe cost and using the lower budget. For the chapter 2 is literature review. As you can see here, based on the FAO forecast, Food and Agriculture Organization, the demand of food industry increased by 59 to 98% from 2005 until 2050, significantly higher than the latest 2005-2007 FAO forecast. As you can see here, there are many types of food in the world demand projection for the scenario by 2050. Simulation is a method of creating and experimenting system model based on the real system to obtain insight into problem solving. Advantage of the simulation is improvement can be made without disturb its operation by building a simulation model using a computer. Arena simulation software can be implemented for any kind of industry. As you can see here, there are many types of industry that use arena simulation software, such as food industry, automotive industry, and also cement industry. For the chapter 3 is methodology. It will cover the flowchart, data collection, simulation development, and also the equipment. As you can see here, this is my flowchart for overall final year project. Final year project will be divided into two, which is PSM1 and also PSM2. In PSM1, it will start with planning on title project, literature review, methodology, and some data collection. The other rest will be covered in PSM2. For the data collection, based on the company Fast Kitchen Senyum Berhad, there are three methods for the data collection, which is interview method, observation method, and activity sampling. For interview method by the owner of the company, the flow process company will be get the detail of workstation, working hours, input and expected output of the production process. The number of workers will be observed, and the last one is activity sampling to measure the distance between the process, time taken every process, and also the break time for every staff. For the simulation development, the software that will be used is Arena Simulation Software by Rockwell Automation Technologies using student version. As you can see here, this is Arena Windows interface. For the simulation development, it will start with the data collection. Then, we will prepare for simulation module. There are two types of module, which is flowchart module and data module. Flowchart module will be entered into the model window flowchart, and the data module will enter in the model window spreadsheet. Then, the model will be verified, and the last one, the data will be validated. The difference between the actual model and also the simulation model must be less than 10% to get the similarities. The last one is the equipment. There are two types of equipment that will be used to collect the data. This is digital stopwatch, and this is a measuring tape. That's all for me. Thank you for your time.